Welcome and thank you very much for watching another Christian Painters YouTube video. Today featuring sheetrock repairs. That's right, look here, I've got some tape hanging there, and then you can see all this needs to be cleaned up, retaped, floated out, and retextured. So we're gonna do that there in this spot. Here's our materials. We're gonna put plastic down, cover all of the floor areas where we're shooting texture. We also have to cover the wall areas that aren't getting texture because the texture will splatter. Over here is our second repair in the ceiling. So we have 3 ceiling repairs. This way I'll have to be all cleaned out, retaped and bedded. Then over here, got another pretty bad crack. It's an extension of the other one on the other side actually. So there's that, and then a little hairline right there. There's your 3 cracks. Over here in this back bedroom, we've got to clean up. What we're gonna do is just clean that up really good. I've already started on some of it, and then caulk it in so that once it's painted, it'll look at least 90% better. And that's what the customer has asked me to do, is just a little cleanup on that one. All right, so thank you very much for watching another Christian Painters YouTube video. If you have ceiling cracks or cracks on your walls that you need to have repaired, you do need a professional to do it. Otherwise, they might end up looking like this or like this wall here. Somebody did a repair here and this texture is just, anyway, look, the paint doesn't match. This is the kind of stuff that I'm used to seeing all the time. And I never do anything like that. Everything I do is professional and correct. So when you need a professional to repair your home sheetrock, to replace rotted woods on your exterior, to paint your exterior, to paint your interior, you know who to call, Christian Painters. My name is Rick E. Warden. I do very much appreciate you. I appreciate every one of my customers and every job that I do. I invite you to watch all our YouTube videos and see over 15 years of excellence documented on video. There's no other painter in the world with as many YouTube videos of their jobs. I'm the one. So thank you. Yes, I'm proud of it. I'm very proud of all the hard work that I have done and continue to do. So give me a call when you need a pro. The number is 817-473-0310. Thank you again.